Hello, I am Ainoa. My recipe is stuffed geese. Ingredients: boiled eggs, mayonnaise, and tuna. A recipe. First, cook the eggs for 10 minutes. Second, peel the eggs, put them vertical and empty the fillings into a bowl. Third, in the container that we have the fillings, we add the mayonnaise and the tuna. Fourth, with the previous mixture, fill in the eggs. And enjoy!